Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Tamika. We get into all things fashion, makeup, and beauty on this channel. And today, we're going to be talking about lashes. I know I don't have any makeup on, but we'll get there in 3, 2, 1. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about a 10-day lash system by a brand called Moitié Cosmetics. This is the brand right here. This brand's lash system offers lashes that's going to give you 10 days of continuous wear. It is 100% waterproof, and it's also safe for long-term use on the eyes, so it's not going to damage your lashes. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. Thank you so much for Moitié Cosmetics for sponsoring this video, and let's get right into it. All right, so here is the box right here. It comes with a lot of goodies in here. I can't wait to see what all is in here. All right, so first off, we have a little pouch. It just says Moitié Cosmetics on it. And then let's see what is in our pouch here. All right, so here we have the lash removal gel. It comes in like a cute little acrylic casing. And then we also have the priming glue. And then we also have this little cute LED mirror. So it's double-sided. I don't want to blind you guys, but it's double-sided. And it's also an LED mirror. So there's a little switch at the back here. You just switch it on, and then you have the lights. All right, so they also sent me 4 style of lashes. Let's see what this one is. Here's the first style, which is just like a really nice, fluffy, natural lash, which is kind of my vibe. I really love these ones. Next up, we have this style right here, which is called New York. And then for a little bit more drama, we have this one, which is Paris. That is some drama lashes right here. And then last but not least, we have these ones right here, which are Beverly Hills. This kit also came with a applicator tool. So this is what that tool looks like. I think it's so pretty. I love the rose gold color. And so this is just going to help us apply our lashes. They were also kind enough to send me a little traveling case. You can throw the lashes in here. You can use this as a little makeup bag, which I think is really cute because it's got this holographic color to it. And then they also threw in some barrettes. As you can see, I like a nice barrette. These are just rhinestone barrettes, and they say Boss, Queen, and Glam. So I thought that was a really cute touch to add to this package. I'm always up for a good lash system. Anything with lashes. I really have become like obsessed with lashes lately. I've tried magnetic lashes. I've tried other lash systems. So this is one I was really interested in trying as well. So I can't wait to see if the process is quick and easy. Like I said, it does say that it does last for 10 days. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zoom you guys in and get on with the lash application process. All right, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer, and I think the lashes I'm going to use today, I'm actually going to try to go a little bit bold. A little bit bold. And I think, so I'm going to go in with these lashes right here, which are the New York lashes. So I went onto Moitié Cosmetics website to see, you know, how exactly to apply these, because for some reason I didn't get any instructions in my box. However, you can always just go over to the Moitié website, and they have videos on how to apply and how to remove these lashes. So I just hopped on over there and looked at a video on how to apply it, so I'm applying it properly. And it does recommend that you curl your lashes beforehand, but that it is optional. I do not have an eyelash curler. I don't normally use eyelash curlers, which I could probably benefit from since my eyelashes, my natural eyelashes, are so small. However, I don't have one right now. So going in with this spoolie, I'm just gonna go and like brush through my natural brush through my natural lashes just a tiny bit. So with the glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of this onto my eyelash tray for easier dipping access, just like this. All right, just like that. We have our glue right on top. All right, so I have one of the lashes pulled off right here. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the glue. Dip. It says you want to wait at least about like 5 seconds. I'm going to turn it so it's a little bit easier for me to hold on to. And then it says you want to take it and just swipe along your lashes because you want to place these onto your natural lashes, not onto your lash line, like your skin. So you're going to take this and swipe across your lashes. Swipe, 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 and then just place them. All right, and that is on. Once they're on, you want to go ahead and squeeze them for like 15 seconds until the glue dries a little bit. And just like that, we have one lash on. That one is on. And we're gonna fuse them together. Hold that for a couple of seconds. And let go. And there we have the second lash. Wow, this is looking really pretty so far. All right, so this is one eye completely done, and it really does look like lash extensions. It's really cool. All right, so let's go ahead and pop on the other side and I'll be right back. All right, so here are both lashes done. I'm just gonna come in a little closer so you guys can see. I would say that there's definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get it, it's awesome. So I'm gonna leave this on for a couple of hours and I'll come back with you guys and let you guys know my final thoughts. All right, so these lashes are on here pretty securely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how securely they are on, especially if you were to go out on like a windy day. I think you guys would be okay because these are not going anywhere. Just gonna go ahead and grab a blow dryer just so you guys can kind of see how this would handle wind per se. And it looks a little weird for a blow dryer, but yes, it is a blow dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and show you guys if these stay on. Yeah, these are on here. They are not moving. So like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and wear these for a couple of hours and come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back and it's, as you can tell, it's been a couple of hours. It's been more than 10 hours actually. I actually went to sleep and woke up, so it is the next day. Wanted to end filming this video last night, however, we did have a blackout, so that was unfortunate, couldn't finish it. However, it allowed me to test these lashes out even more because I went to sleep in them, and it is the next day. I just washed my face, woke up, no makeup. I'm actually getting ready for work. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what they look like after a few hours, after I've slept in them. They're still on, they are still in place. You can wash your face with it. I washed my face this morning. I kind of like just wiped around my eyes also with like makeup remover wipes. So like I said, they are 100% waterproof. You can wash your face in it and they will still be okay. Like I should have probably recorded myself washing my face, but that's a little bit too hectic. Like I said, I'm getting ready for work. However, I do have like a little cup of water here. I can probably maybe somehow wet my eyes really quickly and show you guys without making a huge mess with my setup here. I'm just gonna put my eye in the cup. How about that? All right, gotta get ready for the drippage. Okay. All right, now that it looks like I'm crying, but I just dunked my whole eye into this cup of water. So they are wet. And these babies are not going anywhere. So I definitely recommend you checking out Moitié Cosmetics if you're a person that loves wearing the longevity of affordable lashes. This is for you. If you like the option of putting them on for a couple of hours and then taking them off, these are for you. If you like the ease of doing it yourself, not having to pay a bunch of money, these are for you. I would just highly recommend checking them out. If you guys are interested, I will have it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.